Good morning students. Today we will study class 7 and chapter number 11, exercise 11A. In our last class we have discussed up to question number 5th. After that 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 I have given you the homework. Now the question number 11. The question number 11 is on selling of a watch for rupees 11,400 a shopkeeper lost 5%. How much did he purchase it? In this question they are on selling a watch for rupees 11,400. It means that it is discussing, we are talking about the watch, selling price of watch. Question number 11. So SP for watch, SP for watch is your rupees 11,400 equals to rupees 11,400. After that it has a loss of 5%. Loss percent equals to 5%. Loss equals to 5%. Now we will use formula here. CP equals to curly bracket start 100 upon 100 plus loss percent multiply by SP. This is your formula. So 100 upon 100 plus 5 into SP is your 11,400. This is your SP. Now it will be 11,004 after 100. It is 100 minus loss. 100 minus loss. Not here plus, it is a minus. After that you can also do here. Now solve this 11,400 upon 95. It will be your 11,400 upon 95. So how it come 95? 100 minus 5 will be your 95. After that when you solve this, your answer will be 1 rupees 12,000. Rupees 12,000. You can also multiply this and add these two zero here. Okay. Now multiply this. Your answer will be this. Rupees 12,000 will be your answer. The cost price is rupees 12,000. This is your answer. And in all these questions you have to write the language also. आपको इन सारे क्वेश्चंस में लैंग्वेज भी लिखनी है. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ऑन सेलिंग अ कैलकुलेटर फॉर रुपीज 1,325 अ मैन गेन 6%. फॉर हाउ मच शुड ही सेल इट टू गेन ऑफ 12%. नाउ द 12th question is, we have discussed 11 question. Now the 12th question is, question number 12 is, first of all you have to write the SP of your calculator. Selling price of calculator equals to rupees 1,325. 1,325. After that gain percent equals to 6%. Gain percent equals to 6%. Now CP of the calculator. CP of your calculator, you have to find CP of calculator. Formula will be 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into SP. Okay, 100 plus gain percent into your selling price. Put this formula 100 upon 100 plus gain, 100 plus 6 into SP is your 325. You have to solve this. When you solve this, multiply 1325 multiply by 100 00 upon 106. When you solve this, your answer would be rupees 1250. 50. When you cancel out all this, your answer will be 1250. Now what you have to find? You have to find in this question for how much should he sell it to get a gain of 12%. अब वो एक कैलकुलेटर को उसने सेलिंग प्राइस 1325 है, उसका कॉस्ट प्राइस 1250 है, जिसमें कि उसको 6% का प्रॉफिट है. आफ्टर दैट अगर उसको यही प्रॉफिट द शॉपकीपर को वो कितने में बेचे, वो सेलिंग प्राइस उस कैलकुलेटर का, हाउ मच विल बी सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ दिस कैलकुलेटर टू गेट अ गेन ऑफ 12%, कि उसको 12% का प्रॉफिट हो. नाउ आई एम सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन हियर. The rest of the part, what you have to do, SP of calculator, selling price of the calculator equals to, bracket start, formula will be 100 plus gain, 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into CP. Now 100 plus 12 upon 100 multiply CP is your 1250. This is your CP. Okay, 1250 is your CP. When now 100 plus 12 equals to 112 upon 100 multiply by 1250. Multiply these two. अब आप 112 को और 1250 को multiply करेंगे, it would be your 1,40,000. Okay, this is your upon 100. Cancel this, your answer would be rupees 1400. This is your new SP when the shopkeeper gets gain of 12%. जब अगर शॉपकीपर को 12% का गेन चाहिए तो वो अपने कैलकुलेटर को 1400 रुपीज में सेल करे. आफ्टर दैट you have to do question number 12. I have explained you 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now the toughest question in this exercise is question number 21. We will talk about question number 21. Question number 21. The question number 21 is, by selling 36 oranges, a vendor suffers a loss equal to the selling price of 4 oranges. Find his loss percent. Okay. Now you have to do, let the CP of one orange be X. Let the CP of one orange be X. हमने एक ऑरेंज का कॉस्ट प्राइस X मान लिया. सो द CP ऑफ 36 ऑरेंजेस, अब उसने कितने ऑरेंजेस बेचे हैं? उसने बेचे हैं 36 ऑरेंजेस इक्वल्स टू रुपीज 36x. सो आफ्टर दैट लेट द SP of one orange be Y. अब हमने एक ऑरेंज का SPY मान लिया. सो द SP ऑफ 36 ऑरेंजेस बी रुपीज 36Y. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट? लॉस इक्वल्स टू SP ऑफ 4 ऑरेंजेस. अब लॉस इक्वल्स टू SP ऑफ 4 ऑरेंजेस. SP ऑफ 4 ऑरेंजेस, ये आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, दिया हुआ है. आफ्टर दैट देन लॉस इक्वल्स टू CP माइनस SP. दिस इज योर फॉर्मूला, लॉस इक्वल्स टू CP माइनस SP. नाउ व्हाट इज लॉस? 4Y इक्वल्स टू CP इज योर 36x. ओके, माइनस 36y. This is your CP, 36x minus 36y. Now what you will do? 36x equals to 36y minus 4y. So 36x equals to 40y. So 36x equals to 40y. Cancel out this. It will be go for in the table of 4. 4 का टेबल, 4 10 जा 40 and 4 9 जा 36. It is 9x equals to 10y. Now y equals to 9 upon 10x. Okay, the value of y is 9 upon 10x. What you have to do here now, second step, you have to find the loss percent. Loss percent equals to loss upon Cp into 100. This is the formula of your loss percent. Loss upon Cp into 100. Now loss is your 4y. After that Cp is your 36x into 100. Okay, 4y upon 36x into 100. Now the value of y is 9 upon 10x. Put the value of y, 4 into 9x upon 36x into 10 into 100. So x and x cancel. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4, 1 0 and 1 0. So the loss percent is your 10%. Loss percent equals to your 10%. This is the answer of question number 21. You can, okay, I am repeating once again. First of all, the question is given here, by selling a 36 oranges, a vendor suffers a loss equal to the selling price of 4 oranges. ये एक वेंडर ने 36 ऑरेंजेस सेल किए, ठीक. आफ्टर दैट अब उसको क्या हुआ, उसको लॉस हुआ कितना, जितना कि वो 4 ऑरेंजेस सेल करता था उतने परसेंट उसको लॉस हुआ. देन व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड, you have to find here, find his loss percent. You have to find the loss percent. So first of all, let the Cp of one orange be x. हमें 36 oranges का loss पता है, पर हमें, but we don't know the loss of one orange. Let the Cp of one orange be x. So the Cp of 36 oranges will be 36x. After that, let the SP of 36, let the SP of one orange be y. हमने एक orange का selling price y मान लिया. After that, the selling price of 36 oranges will be your 36y. In the question there is given loss equals to SP of 4 oranges. जो SP है, जो selling price है, वो 4 oranges के बराबर loss हुआ है. Now the formula of loss is loss equals to CP minus SP. So loss is your 4y given, Cp is your 36x, Sp is your 36y. So 36x equals to 36y minus 4y. 36x equals to 40y. It is 4 10 ja 40 and 4 9 ja 36. Here it comes 9x equals to 10y. So y equals to 9 upon 10x. Now you have to find the loss percent. Loss percent equals to loss upon Cp into 100% sign. After loss is your given 4y, Cp is 36x, 100 will be as it is. Now the value of y we have find here 9 upon 10x. So 4 into y की value 9x, after that 36x into 9 upon 10. Here it will be done multiply by 100. X will be x cancel. 9 1 is 9, 9 4 is 36, 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4, 1 0 has been cancelled here from 100. So loss percent equals to 10%. This is the tough question in this exercise 11A. After that, the homework which you have to do, you have to complete up to question number 13 to 20. Exercise 11A, question number 13 to 20 and question number 22. This is your homework and your chapter number 11. Chapter 11 has been completed. We will discuss the next chapter in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.